Well, this is question number 1 of miscellaneous exercise of chapter 7. Okay, and we have to integrate this function. Okay, so to integrate this function, the first thing which has to be done is that we have to simplify this expression. Okay, now to simplify this, I'm going to convert this expression into its partial fraction. Okay. So to convert it into its partial fractions, I'm going to first of all write this as 1 upon 1 minus x square, which can be further written as 1 upon x into 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Okay, so this expression can be written as 1 upon x into 1 minus x into 1 plus x as equal to a upon x plus b upon 1 minus x plus c upon 1 plus x. Okay, so to convert it into partial fraction, we have to just calculate the value of a, b and c. So for this I am going to cross multiply this term which is in the left hand side of the denominator. Okay, so I am going to get 1 is equal to 1 minus x into 1 plus x into a plus b times x into 1 plus x plus c times x into 1 minus x. Okay. Now to calculate the value of a, I am going to place x as equal to 0. So as I'm going to place x is equal to 0, these two terms, both of these terms are going to become 0, and I'm going to get 1 is equal to a, as both these terms 1 minus 0 into 1 plus 0 is going to give the product as equal to 1. So I'm going to get the value of a as equal to 1. To calculate the value of b, I'm going to place 1 minus x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. Okay, the moment I'm going to place x is equal to 1, so this term and this term is going to become 0, and I'm going to get 1 is equal to 2b, or b is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, similarly to calculate the value of c, I'm going to place 1 plus x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1. So the moment I'm going to place x is equal to minus 1, so this term and this term is going to become this term is going to become 0 and this term is going to become 0. Okay, so I'm going to get 1 is equal to minus 1 time into 2 into c, or c is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So now what we have to do, we have to integrate. Therefore now we have to integrate x 1 upon x minus x cube. Then this integration would be equal to the integration of a upon x plus b upon 1 minus x plus c upon 1 plus x on placing the values of a, b and c. So this will be equal to 1 upon x integration plus 1 upon 2 times integration of 1 minus x, okay, minus 1 upon 2 times the integration of 1 plus x. Okay, so integration of 1 upon x is equal to log x straight away. This is going to become minus 1 upon 2 times log of 1 minus x. Okay, integration of this would be integrated as the integration of 1 upon x, but because x has a coefficient as -1, so minus sign is going to multiply here. Similarly, this is going to become 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 log of 1 plus x plus c. Okay. On taking 1 upon 2 common from the expression, I'm going to get this as 1 upon 2 I'm going to get this as and I'm going to get this as twice log of x minus log of 1 minus x minus log of 1 plus x plus c. Okay, this is going to become 1 by 2 times log x square, okay, minus log of 1 minus x into 1 plus x plus c. Okay, further this is going to become log x square upon this term 1 minus x into 1 plus x can be written as 1 minus x square, so I'm going to get x square upon 1 minus x square plus c. Okay, there's a required answer.